Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at removing the featured image off a post. So example, if I go to one of these posts off my WordPress website, you can see I'm getting the featured image displayed here at the top, which is kind of annoying because then you have the featured image and then the title of the post, and then of course the date it posted, and then my description in that post, and then my videos down here. So it's kind of strange to have this featured image displayed here when I just want this display on the home screen displaying all my different posts. So that's what I'm going to show you today, is how to remove that. And it's actually very simple. So we need to go into our dashboard. You're going to go to Appearance, and then go to Theme Editor. Then in Theme Editor, this could be different for a lot of people, but it's most likely going to be in the template path parts. Here on the right hand side, template parts, dash parts, and you're going to find something that says content single. So click on that, and just so you know, you can go ahead and go into content page, and then I remove the feature image off the content page if you have that issue. But in this instance, this is for the post, so it's going to be content-single.php. Then you're going to scroll through and you're going to try and find something that says post image single. So you can see this is actually the name of our theme, and you can see post image single right here. So what we're going to do is you can go ahead and remove that line of code, or you can simply comment it out in case you want to bring that back for any reason. So once you have that commented out, update file. If we go back to our website here and click on the same tutorial we just clicked on, now you can see our featured image is gone. So that's how you know you're working on that post page. Now if you can't for some reason find this, and you don't know if you're working on the correct page, you can just simply come in here and just type in test or whatever, hit update, refresh, and you can see now I got this line of text here that says test. So you can see that this is the correct PHP file that we should be working out of. So I'm going to remove that, update file, and refresh. So yeah, that's how easy it is. Just find, yours could be named something different in the beginning, but at the end it should say post image single, and that's when you just want to comment that out and update the file and refresh, and you should be on your way.